The visualization step is where you probably do most of the persuading because it involves the emotion or the pathos of your speech and of your argument of what you want the audience to do. All right. So in this step here, we're just giving strictly emotions. So before in the problem solution or the need satisfaction, that's basically your logic of your argument there. So you have a problem and then you solve it with a problem. Now, when we get to the visualization, which is the fourth step of the motivated sequence, it'll be the third step of the body of your speech. It's where we tell the audience what life would be like if they take your solution. All right, or you tell them either way whether it's going to be they're going to gain pleasure or they're going to avoid pain by doing it. Those are the two biggest motivators, by the way, is gaining pleasure and avoiding pain. So and then this is the visualization steps where we talk about it. So you don't have to cite a source here. You can if you cite a source of somebody enjoying the emotion of the solution or enjoying the solution. They're going to gain a lot of pleasure by doing what you ask, or they're going to suffer a lot of pain if they don't do what you ask. And this is the area that we put that information in. So for instance, so if we're talking about the house as a theme, buy a house. We had the attention getter in their attention step, and then we had the problem of the cost of going to school. And then we had the solution is to buy a house and the reasons why you should buy a house. And then now in the emotion step, we tell what life would be like if you have a house, right? All right, so if we talk about that, we can go picture this. So your finals have just ended, and if you're like me, I have a twitch in my eye. I always get a twitch in my eye on finals week. And walking home, I had bought a house just down the street from the campus. I'm walking home, and as I round the corner, there I see all my friends who have got out of their finals earlier. They've already got the music going there in the yard, and they've got the hose out, and they're hosing each other down, and they're chasing each other around with water balloons, and they've got the deck. You've got a keg of beer on the deck, and everybody's standing around, and nice big social event, and you're looking forward to it. So you get home. It's your house, so you can do this, and you get home, and then you change your clothes and you go out on the deck and you have a beer and you talk with your friends and you listen to music. You're having a good time, and later on everybody goes home, and you're in your own place there, and you have your significant other, and then you invite her in, and you go inside, you put a fire in the fireplace, and you get a bottle of wine, a couple glasses, and you've got that bearskin rug in the right in front of the fireplace, and you pour a couple glasses of wine, and well, you can figure out the rest, right? Okay, so this is just an emotional thing. You're just painting a picture of what life would be like in your own home. Okay, you could use almost any scenario, but we want to make it relatable to the audience. But just paint that picture, make the audience feel the pleasure they will gain or the pain they'll avoid if they take your solution, or the pain that they'll suffer if they don't take your solution. Those are all fair game. All right, so it's all emotion in there. Put as much emotion in as you can. Paint a picture of what life would be like if we have a dog, or what life would be like if we have the perfectly smoked meats, or what life would be like if we have the right gear to make good videos, or whatever it is. Whatever you're trying to convince us to do, paint a picture of what life would be like if we took your suggestion and we do what you ask.